Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear link history on Instagram. If you want to clear your link history on Instagram, here's how you can get it done. You have to open your Instagram app on your phone. When you open it, then you tap on the profile icon. Then from there you tap on the three-line button at the right top corner of the screen. Then from there you tap on your activities. Then you scroll down a little. Then you tap on link history, and from here you can clear all the link history at once, or probably if you want to clear or delete the link history one after the other, you just have to click on the X button right in front of each and every of the link like this. You just tap on this, then you tap on clear. That means that particular link is gone. Then you tap on the other one also, then you clear. That means that particular link is gone. And that is how you can delete or clear the link history on your Instagram account. If any video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.